Good morning students, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in the previous video we have seen subsets. In this video we are going to learn about subsets of set of real numbers. Okay, so now let's begin with the video. Now subsets we have seen. Now subsets of set of real numbers. Now we all know that real numbers, okay, in the 9th standard we have seen that real numbers are something very big. Okay, it contains the natural numbers, it contains the integers, it contains the whole numbers, it contains the rational numbers and the real numbers. Excluding rationals we get irrational numbers. Now here in this topic we are going to discuss about the subsets of real numbers. Okay, that means in real numbers what are the subsets it contain. Now if we talk about natural numbers they start from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Then again whole numbers, meaning we are having 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now integers, they are -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and so on. Then we are having rational numbers which are denoted by Q. This contains the elements of the form P by Q, where P comma Q belonging to Z and Q is not equal to 0. Now real numbers are those numbers which contain all these elements. Okay, so now real numbers will denote it by R. Okay, will denote it by R. Now natural numbers, obviously they will be a subset of real numbers, because in real numbers we are having all these elements and natural numbers are just a part of the real numbers. Okay, so natural numbers are subset of real numbers. Then again whole numbers are also subset of real numbers. Also Z, that is the integers, they are also the subset of real numbers. And also the rationals, they are also a subset of real numbers. Now irrational numbers. Now in real numbers when you exclude rational numbers we get irrational numbers. So I will write here T equal to X such that X belonging to R but X does not having rationals. So this is a set of irrational numbers. Okay, so in this topic we are just discussing about what are the different subsets of set of real numbers. Okay, and these natural numbers, whole numbers, rational numbers, then irrational numbers which excludes the rational numbers, and also whole numbers, integers, these are all the subsets of set of real numbers. Now in this also we can make a subset. Okay, so now here we can see that this natural numbers it contains 1, 2, 3, 4, and whole numbers it contains one more extra term, that is 0, 1, 2, 3. So from here we can conclude that natural numbers they are the subset of whole numbers, because whole numbers is having one more extra element, that is 0, which makes it a bigger set than natural numbers. Okay, then again we can say that these whole numbers are again a subset of integers, because integers is a big set as compared to whole numbers and natural numbers, because integers it contains the positive integers as well as negative integers. Okay, so natural numbers are the subset of whole numbers. Whole numbers are subset of integers, because as we are going, okay, so this is a bigger set, that is the rational numbers. Okay, and here we cannot say that natural numbers are a subset of irrational numbers. They are not the subset of irrational numbers. Okay, because irrational numbers, they contain numbers such as root 2, root 3, pi. Okay, and when you go to find the actual numbers of this, it will turn out to be pi is 3.14. Here we get in decimals, and natural numbers, they contain the numbers like 1 2 3 4. They don't contain the numbers which are in this form, that is in decimal form. Therefore this is not a subset of t. Okay, so I hope this topic is clear to everyone who is watching this video. Okay, we are going to solve more examples on this when we will solve the exercise 1.3. if you all have any difficulty in this video, then you all can post your doubts in the comment section. And also, if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe my channel, and I'll also press like button if you like my video. Okay, thank you so much.